jam, little rat truck.
Every morning, Tommy took a nice bath at the wash station. The water was cool and the...
Time for breakfast. Tommy went to the fuel station for yummy fuel. Glug, glug, glug. The fuel filled Tommy's tank.
Look, it's Tommy's best friend, Max the monster truck. Max was very big and strong.
Hi, Max.
Tommy and Max wanted to go on an adventure today. They looked at their map.
Let's go help other trucks.
Great idea.
They loved helping friends.
Suddenly, Tommy and Max heard something. Help! Help! Someone was calling. Tommy's eyes opened wide. Tommy and Max raced as fast as they could. The wheels spun super quick. Oh no! It was Benny the bulldozer! Benny was stuck in sticky mud. Benny's tracks were spinning, but Benny couldn't get out.
Tommy and Max looked at the problem carefully. The mud was too deep and sticky. If they drove in, they'd get stuck.
Tommy had a smart idea. Let's use this rope. Tommy and Max grabbed the rope with their tow hooks. Now they could pull. Max swung the rope across to Benny. The rope flew through the air. Tommy and Max pulled with all their strength. Their engines roared. Their wheels spun. The rope was so tight.
Tommy and Max pulled and pulled, but Benny was still stuck. They were getting tired. Of course I'll help, said Sally. Sally was always ready to help friends. Now there were 3 trucks pulling.
1, 2, 3, P-U-L. All 3 trucks pulled together. The rope was so tight, the mud started. Boom! Benny came out. Splash! Mud went everywhere. All the trucks fell down, but
Everyone was so happy. They jumped and danced. Thank you, thank you. We're so glad you're safe. Friends all... Is anyone hurt? We're all fine, Rosie.
time to get clean. All the trucks were covered in mud. They went to the wash station. The water washed away all the... Chief, the fire truck had important news. There's a fire on the mountain, said Chief. We need brave truck.
Tommy looked at the big mountain. Tommy felt scared. The mountain was so big, and Tommy was so small.
Remember, Tommy? Said Max. You were so brave helping Benny. All the friends agreed. You can do this. Tommy took a big, deep breath. Being brave doesn't mean not being scared.
Everyone helped Tommy get ready. Chief filled Tommy's water. Rosie checked Tommy's engine. Be careful, Tommy. They gave Tommy a big group hug.
You can do it. Come back safe. We believe in you.
Tommy waved goodbye.
Tommy drove toward the big mountain. The road was long. Tommy
was getting tired. Then Tommy heard pretty music.
What?
You know, Tommy, said Daisy. Being kind and helping others is the bravest thing anyone can do. Daisy. Tommy drove up the steep mountain. It was hard work. Tommy's wheels pushed and pushed.
Oh no! Rocks were blocking the road. But look! Mr. Crane was there.
Can I help?
Of course! The path was clear. Good job, Tommy. Remember, even small trucks can do big things. Tommy could see the fire now. The flames were big and scary. Yeah. Suddenly, Zoom the race car zoomed up super fast. Hey, Tommy, said Zoom. I'm here to help. Zoom was so...
They needed a good plan. Zoom looked around fast and found where the fire was worst.
Tommy sprayed water. The water hit the flames. The fire got smaller.
Good job, Tommy! Over there next!
Tommy and Zoom were a great team. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Tommy's water was almost gone. The fire was still burning.
Zoom raced around looking. Then Zoom found something. Tommy! There's a stream over here!
Tommy used the stream water to fill up again. The water flowed into Tommy's tank. Tommy sprayed and sprayed. The fire got smaller.
You're doing it, Tommy.
Cheered Zoom. The last flame went out. SSHH! The fire was completely gone. Tommy and Zoom
danced and celebrated. They jumped up and down. They honked their horns. Beep, beep.
It was time to go home. Tommy and Zoom drove down the mountain together. All of Tommy's friends were waiting. They were so worried when they saw Tomber.
Tommy told everyone about the big fire. Everyone listened to the exciting story.
You were so brave!
Chief was very proud. Tommy, you showed great courage. Chief gave Tommy a special firefighter badge. It was a big honor.
The whole town threw a party for Tommy. There were balloons and banners everywhere. Everyone celebrated together. Rosie wanted to check if Tommy was okay. Rosie looked at Tommy carefully. Rosie listened to Tommy's engine. But look! Grumpy the garbage truck was all alone. Nobody liked Grumpy.
Hi, Grumpy. Why are you talking to me?
Because everyone deserves kindness.
Come join the party, Grumpy. Nobody wants me there. That's not true. Everyone deserves to have fun and friends. Please come.
Grumpy wanted to say yes, but Grumpy was scared. What if the other trucks were mean?
Tommy brought Grumpy to the party. Some trucks weren't sure about this, but Tommy believed in giving everyone a chance.
Come on.
The trucks were so nice to Grumpy. They offered fuel and ice cream. Grumpy felt something.
Grumpy started dancing. Grumpy was laughing. The other trucks cheered. Nobody believed it. Tommy was so happy. The party ended as night came. Everyone was tired after such an... Tommy dreamed of more adventures. In the Tommy was a superhero. Good morning, a new day. Tommy woke up feeling great. Yesterday was amazing, but
Look, the mail truck came. There was a package for Tommy.
A package for me. I wonder what it is.
Tommy loved surprises.
Tommy opened the package. Inside was a special book. It said, "Big heroes come in small." Tommy wanted to share the book with friends. Tommy read the story out loud. Everyone listened to the wonderful...
time to play. All the truck friends went to the playground. Max jumped. Sally explored. Benny...
Ice cream time!
Daisy gave everyone yummy ice cream. Tommy got chocolate. Max got...
After ice cream, they watched the clouds,
That one looks like a truck.
said Tommy.
That one looks like ice cream.
Time to prepare for the parade. Ramon painted beautiful decorations on Tommy. Gold star...
Parade Day. Tommy led the big parade. Crowds cheered for brave Tommy. Hooray for Tommy, they shouted. Confetti.
The parade ended with amazing fireworks. Boom! Colors exploded in the sky. Everyone watched.
Chief taught Tommy important lessons. Being brave isn't about being big or strong, said Chief.
Tommy learned that even small trucks can be big heroes. Tommy learned that kindness and bravery come friends in